Please
Thank
proceed.
you, Chair, and thank you, Legal Tech Summit, for giving this opportunity. And unfortunately, I could not join because of my health issue. And having said that, uh, virtually the engagement, but digital plays also important role. Yesterday, we have a WIPO Green advisory meeting, and that also we could not join, and virtually we are part of it. So when we are talking about intellectual property, innovation management, and effective technology transfer, bringing academia industry convergence, this is a buzzword, this is a milestone, this is an engagement from higher ecosystem of scientific governance, how we can leverage technology from mind to the market, lab to the land, technology at bedside to the bedside. The reforming policy, the institutional ecosystem, from research, innovation, and also intellectual property right in the academic institution, leveraging to the MSME and startup. We as a national organization trying our best in connecting the dot. Today, IP became a buzzword in not only in academia, industry, and governance. It also became a buzzword in the every startup and entrepreneurial opportunity. There is a platform, there is a institution, there is a coordination, but there is a lack of collaboration. When we are talking about Viksit Bharat, and also when we are talking about technology self-reliance, in fact, we are having a challenge and bottleneck. As a country, the innovation index of the country is 38. Globally, we must enhance the position of India to respect IP, leverage IP, manage IP, monetizing IP, and also sharing the benefit of the IP. When you are talking about Viksit Bharat, and also having the largest academia ecosystem, more than 900 university across the higher educational institution, many R&D are happening, but we are not able to scaling that research into innovation and into invention, making that invention market readiness level, technology readiness level, innovation readiness level, and societal readiness level, including business readiness level. IP, certainly it has created the buzz and also giving a opportunity of trust, loyalty, and confidence from investor perspectives, but it is also a challenge for a startup and MSME to manage that intellectual property. We at NRDC not only supporting for IP, we are doing value addition through our technology development validation for commercialization, giving a seed funding support by hand holding the technology readiness level from lab scale to the commercial scale and making it a market readiness level. Let me also tell you the August House. Recently, we transfer one of the very interesting technology, HSV subunit vaccine, which is the alternative of the BCG vaccine, to a Indian entrepreneur, Tech Invention Private Limited, developed by two national institutions collaboratively. So when we are talking about collaboration today, when we transfer the technology today, when as far as the technology transfer from that two labs, national labs, part of the, there are part of the many of the inventor from various institutions, including government funding, where intellectual property created a benchmark in sharing the knowledge, acknowledging the knowledge, managing the knowledge, and also ethics and practice, including tangible benefit from the commercialization of the technology. So today, when we are talking about legal tech summit, certainly intellectual property right is a legal right, legal in nature. We have seen the challenge at a bilateral level, multilateral level, institutional level, and also individual level. And the awareness, certainly it has gone out. There is an institutional mechanism in HEI, but unfortunately, some of the challenge still there, the mindset, because mindset plays an important role. People are aware about intellectual property right, but we have to be IP centric, because infringing, plagiarism, piracy, copyright violation is the biggest challenge bilaterally, multilaterally, nationally, globally, and also institutionally. And for that, in the emerging technology today, what we are part of it, talking about AI, blockchain, machine learning, IP issues are emerging, challenging, and we need to revamp. And with the market-oriented policy so that we can mitigate the growing challenge and cross-cutting technology which are coming up. In fact, we'll certainly complement, and let me also inform you, we are part of the WIPO Green as a focal point, leveraging Indian technology for global sustainability through WIPO Green channel. We had a opportunity to leverage one of the net zero technology from the WIPO Green supported in India, and now we are going for multiple opportunity. At the same time, as a WIPO Technology Innovation Support Center, we not only connected to the MSME startup, we also reach out to the unreached in leveraging intellectual property and innovation management. That's the role of NRDC as an institution nationally. That's the role of individual as an IP practitioner nationally in leveraging to the people of the last mile as far as the intellectual property protection to the people and also prosperity in leveraging the benefit sharing, and that we do in IP management, IP facilitation, IP commercialization. We have a case study of many of the technology which I used to see in the green technology. Today, when we are talking about blue economy, some of the interesting technology. Recently, WIPO also shortlisted as the WIPO green technology, and one of the product is Ujwala, that is available, affordable, comfortable, and also adaptable to the fishermen community. Those who are going for fishing, they can use that by utilizing the saline water or the sea water and getting electricity and also recharge their mobile. At the same time, how we are hand-holding to the women towards entrepreneurship. We supported many of the women entrepreneurs, not only into their IP, we are also hand-holding to scale up their idea into a product, and many of them are making us proud, nation proud, giving an indigenous product to the nation and nation building through innovation. Thank you, Legal Tech India, for giving this opportunity, and thank you, my panel, for giving this opportunity. God bless you all. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Dr. Sahu, for taking out the time to be with us. Can I have one question for Dr. Sahu?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Dr. Sahu, just a small question to you. You have been, your organization is doing excellent work in the area of technology development and commercialization. Now, the scenario in the country is that a lot of universities are generating patents, but not much is commercialization activities are happening. So do you suggest or do you plan to have technology transfer offices within universities? Incubators are there, but what about technology transfer offices so that the commercialization happens systematically?
Sir, let me also inform you, we had a plan earlier and we established few technology transfer offices at university ecosystem, taking from Northeast to Gujarat, and also in Northeastern NER region also we established in one or two university. In the South also we established, but let me also tell you about patent and technology transfer. These are completely complementing and supplementing each other. Patent commercialization in India, I think we can give you a case study of licensing of technology where multiple patent make a technology, and that technology we transfer through exclusive or non-exclusive to the industry, MSME and startup. And let me also tell you, sir, we establish our outreach office, taking our own ownership in reaching to the unreached. I sit in now at Visakhapatnam. Equally, I am heading also Bhubaneswar office, and that is, in fact, we have another two office at Pune and Northeast, so that we can directly reach out, take the ownership, because no university will give, particularly disclosing their invention for commercialization before filing registering the intellectual property. So we are not only hand-holding in IP protection, we are giving validation support, system engineering support, basic engineering support, technology development support, market readiness support through market survey, and also basic engineering. So these are the process and mechanism we have. And at the same time, we have a technology compendium, sir. I can show you. The technology compendium developed by various national institutions like our own CSIR, and we have also MOU with various defense ecosystem, particularly Department of Atomic Energy, DRDO. Whatever the technology they have assigned to NRDC for transferring to MSME and startup, that also we do, as well as hand holding to the MSME and startup at cluster level. And in Visakhapatnam, you will be happy to know that there is a largest MSME cluster called Autonagar Industry Association is there, where more than 1100 MSME in one place, mitigating the challenge of this defense ecosystem. Also part of many of the PSU like Hindustan Shipyard, RINL, the MedTech zone, the largest MedTech zone of Asian subcontinent today. So how MSME are getting opportunity, particularly in technology development, and also hand-holding support is most important as a responsibly to meeting ethically to manage and also monetize the, I will say, the intellectual property in the form of licensing of such kind of technology. And we did that also. And let me also inform you, today we have the engagement for particularly two of the national PSU where they have developed with some of the technology which we are trying to do the value addition further to transfer to other through cross licensing and also in licensing process.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sahu.